Welcome back viewers on G.Math Academy. In this video we are going to talk about the sine rule and cosine rule. First we are going to discuss about the sine rule. In the previous videos we talk about the triangles, only the right angle triangles. In right angle triangle we are given one angle is 90 degree, but here we are talking about except the right angle triangle, so we can apply we can find the missing sides or the missing angles using the sine rule if the triangle is not right angle triangle. So this is the rule enables the sine rule rule enables us to calculate sides and angles in some triangles where there is a not a right angle. So it means we are not talking about right angle triangle here. Let's suppose this is the this is the triangle ABC. Use the convention that A is the side opposite of angle A. So A is the side, this is angle. So A is the side, this is side. So this is the angle B, opposite side is B. So this is angle C, opposite side is C. So we use the formula. You should remember either we can say this formula or this formula. So A over sine A. So A side divided by angle sine equal side divided by the angle B, sine B. Side C divided by the angle sine C. Or you can switch it, so sine angle comes up and the side length comes down. Angle comes up and side length comes down. Angles comes up and side comes down. So we can say sine angle A over A equals sine angle B over B equals sine angle C over C. So the small letters shows us the side length of the triangle and the capital letters in the angles. So these are the angles. So he said that either you can use the first formula or the second formula, formula 1 or formula 2. He mentioned when you need to find the side length, use the formula number 1, and you can for the angles you can formula 2. So you can remember only the one thing, whatever the values you are given, substitute in the formula, then find the missing value or make the subject of that formula. In this question he said that find the value of B and give your answers to 3 significant. So we need to find the value of B and we need to answer should be in 3 significant. So either we can write this or this, it's up to you, but he said that we need to find B. So I'm taking in the first formula to make B as a subject. Okay, so this is B over sine B because angle and side length. Sine B equal angle A sine this is A. Okay, so A over sine angle A. Substitute the value. So we need to find B as it is. So sine B equal 67. This is 67. Angle B equal given 67 equal angle, the side length is A, which is 5, and angle equals 63. So this is multiplication, transfer division, transfer, it becomes multiplication. So it becomes B equal 5 times sine 67 divided by sine 63. Okay, so put in the calculator all the information. So 5 sorry 5 times sine 67 divided by sine 63, close the bracket, it becomes 5.16566. So I need the 3 significant figure as mentioned in the question. So I'm taking 5 point, this is the first significant, second and third. From here I check the next, so next 5 or more we increase it. So answer is B equal 5.17 because B given here 5.1655 and so on. I need 3 significant. From here I check the next number, so it is 5. So because the unit is centimeter, so I say centimeter. In the second example, we are given here find the angle P. So angle P here, so we need to find this angle we need to find side length given in centimeter. So this means this is 5 centimeter, this is 9 centimeter. So as I mentioned, you can use the second formula. So we are given the letter here P, so I need to find this angle, so I'm writing here sine P over uh, sine P, but we are not given the opposite side, so it means we angle this one and this angle. So using this information we can find first angle this. Okay, we need to find this angle because we are not given opposite this angle of any side of this one. So we first find this angle using this information, then we can find this one. It's very tricky question. So first of all, find angle q and the side length which is small q equal this is o sine o divided by this is small o. Okay, now we just substitute the value. We need to find angle q first. Angle q over q length is 5 equal sine o equal 111 divided by 9. This is multiplication, division, translate become multiplication. So sine q equal 5 times sine 111 over 9. So whenever we know that, so whenever we need to find angle, we use the shift function. So q equals sine inverse and write all the information 5 times sine 111 divided by 9. So you will find the answer. Shift sine and 5 times sine 111 and 111. Okay, no, it's not working here. So first find 5 times sine. I'm finding the value 5 times sine 11, then divided by 9. Okay, then we have this one sine inverse equal 5.1865 and so on. So I'm taking shift sine inverse, answer I have 31.2224. So after decimal 1 place, so either you can say 31 or you can say 31.2, because after that 4 which is less than 5 we can increase. So angle q equal 31 for example. Okay, so angle q is 31. This is angle q, but in the question it said find angle p. This is not what we need to find. So we know that total angles in a triangle equal 180. So angle p equal 180 minus the 2 whatever the angle given minus 111 minus 31. So you will find angle p equal 180 minus 31 minus 111 38. So we have angle 38. So angle p is 38. This is the tricky question. Okay, and now we'll go for the cosine rule. Okay, in this cosine rule we are given again the triangle. In the triangle we mention here we use the cosine rule when we have either two sides and included angle. So two sides and included angle, or all three sides. So it means in the sine rule we need to find a complete pair and half pair. If you look at here in this question, in the tricky question, we are given a complete pair information, the angle opposite side, So it should be a complete pair. Complete pair means that if you look at here, this is in this question we are given this information, which is a complete information, angle and one side. But this is incomplete information. We are given angle, but we are missing the side. This is called the half pair, and this is called the complete pair of the triangle. If we are given complete pair and half pair, we can use sine rule. But like this question, if we have if we don't have anything, so we are given a complete pair, but in the angle what we need to find out, we are not given any information either in the side length or the angle, so we cannot find out. So we are given the angle here, so according to this, this is called the half pair, because we can find using this side length, we can find the angle. So that's why we can use sine rule. So difference is sine rule, and cosine rule. In cosine rule, we are given two side length and included angle, two side length angles, side angle side, then we can apply the cosine rule, or all the sides, okay. As given here, we are given all sides, we can apply cosine rule. So there are formula as well, you should remember the formulas. If you remember them, then you can easily find out the solution. So find the there are two forms, either you can remember this formula or in the form of this, it's up to you. But if you remember only one formula, whatever the side you are given, substitute in the formula, whatever the missing side, just make a subject of that at the end of the formula, then find the value, okay. Now in this question we are given here, so you should remember the formulas. In this question it said find the side length. It means we side length which is marked by the star, so it means we need to find this because the mark side here. So we are given side angle side, it means we can apply the cosine rule. So according to this is m, what we need to find the side length, and according to this is called the small l, and according to this is called the small n, okay. So I need to find the side length, so I'm taking m square equal the rest of side square, l square plus n square minus 2 times here, as we are given in the triangle ABC, so I'm taking ABC. So here we are given the LMN, so I'm taking the letter of LMN, so rather we take ABC. So 2ln cos, what angle is given? M. So because we side m, so angle is m. Substitute the value here, L square which is 8 square plus n square which is 5 square minus 2 times 8 times 5 cos angle given 100. So substitute in the formula in the calculator, so 8 square plus 5 square minus 2 times 8 times 5 times cos 100. So it become 102.89. so this is m square 102.89185542. So take a square root, because we need to find the side length, not the square. So take a square root. So after taking square root, you find the answer 10.14. So I'm writing 3 significant figures, so 10.1, because after 1 there is 4, so 10.1, and all the units in centimeter, so it means this is 10.1 centimeter. Okay, in the next example we are given here find the angle marked by the star. It means we need to find this angle, so this is what we need to mark, which is angle L. All sides are in centimeter. Again this is called the small l, this is in centimeter. According to this is m, which is 5 centimeter, okay, and this is angle, and this is small m. According this is k, small k, okay. So we need to find an angle. So what information you are given, so we need to find angle, this one L. So according to this opposite side, so I'm taking the formula, whatever you need to find opposite that one should be as a subject of the formula. So I'm starting with this one, so it is L square equal, I'm just writing the only one formula. I'm just remembering the one formula. Rest of thing, whatever information I given, so I substitute in the formula, I can find the rest of the thing. So if you observe here, so whatever the side, opposite angle in that side. Here B, opposite angle B. Here C, opposite angle C. So it means you can make from the beginning the subject of the formula. Okay, now for example here angle L, and we side given L, so it means this is the combination which help us to find out the solution. So I'm starting from here, so this is, I'm making this one from the beginning as subject. L square equal, this is the information we are given, M square plus K square minus 2 times M K cos what L here, so it means the angle L here, so this is L. Okay, so whatever information you are given, you substitute in the formula, you can find the answer. So L square which is 13.2 square, M square 5 square plus K square means 12 square minus 2 times M equal 5 times K equal 12 times cos L. We need to find L, so leave as it is. Now this all information, if you look at here, this is negative. First simplify. So 13.2, take the square of 13.2 square, which is equal 174.24. So I'm writing here 174.24 equal, it is 25, it is 144 minus it is 10, and 10 times 12 equal 120 cos L degree. More simplify, 74, so this is 125 plus 144, 169 minus 120 cos L. Now this is negative, translate become positive, and this is positive, translate negative. So interchange these two information, it becomes 120 cos L equal 169, positive becomes negative 74.24. now this is multiplication, translate becomes division, so cos L equal 169 minus 174.24 equal 5.24, negative 5.24 divided by 120. Okay, now need to find angle, so cos inverse equal negative 5.2 divided by 120 equal, so I'm writing here negative 5.24 divided by 120, so take shift cos inverse, put the value negative 5.24 divided by 120, press equal, you find angle 92.50. so I'm writing one significant figure, one decimal place, so 92.5 degrees, so angle L equal 92.5 degree. Hope you will get the answer about the sine rules and cosine rule, and please do remember the formula and the key point, how do you know when we use the sine rule and when we use the cosine rule. I just give you the summary. If you are given the triangle with the included angle, yani side angle side, then you can apply the cosine rule, or you are given all sides, then also you can use cosine rule. But if you are given a complete information, a complete pair, one angle given and this side given, but we are given this angle, we need to find this angle, so we can say this is a complete pair and this is called the half pair, so then we can use sine rule. So for this we can use sine rule when we are given a complete pair and half pair, but if we are given side, angle side, or all three sides, then we can use cosine rule. Hope you will get the benefit from this worksheet, this sheet. Please, if you like the video, just give me thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Thank you very much.